Dear customers, this video is for introduce how to install the single Q-learn Tensile testing machine. For now, let me introduce each button for you. First, this is the emergency stop button. When you cut it down, the power will be emergency to cut off. And when you want to turn on again, please switch it like this. And the power will get green again. That means the power is be connect well. And here is black button for control the jigs up and down, like this. For the up or for the down, it's moving down, and for the up, like this. Okay, here let's go move on the cable that we will offer. We will offer 3 cables for you. First is the wire connect cable to connect the machine and the computer we equipped on your board. Here is the wire cable to connect. You can see here and connect here. Get it? And the second is the machine power cable. The machine power cable is like this. Here is the power cable connect, and the third is the computer power cable to connect it. You can see here is the computer power cable to connect. Okay. So for now, the machine installed is well, and we can open the software that we installed in the machine. Yes, it's turned on now. So here is the software. And the machine jig switch is very easy.